teach me about polliwogs, please.
What are polliwogs?
Polliwogs are little baby frogs that haven't gotten their legs yet. So these little polliwogs with the tails, that's what those are. Those are polliwogs. And when they lose their tails, they get their arms and their legs. Some of these already have their back legs if you pay real close attention, if they stop long enough. Let's see.
This one right here, little froggy.
That's a little froggy right there.
Polliwogs turn into frogs.
Let's see, so this one might have its back legs.
Guys,
Let's see. Very carefully. Yeah, see the little legs? Do you see the little ones right there?
Yeah.
Hold on, baby. Doing a little bit. Do you see its little legs?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're gonna lose their tails as soon as they get their arms and legs. And then they turn into this. Yes.
Little froggy.
And if you're a princess and you kiss one of these, it'll turn into a prince. Not really.
Will you watch Sissy?
thank you for watching the Goobies. If you like this video, make sure to click the like and subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Bye! Come back